Welcome to my YouTube channel where I will be explaining Unix commands. I will try my best to keep the video of very smaller duration like 2 to 3 minutes or sometimes 4-5 minutes, and gradually as we keep on learning the basic commands and we move on to complex command, that time I will increase my video length just to explain you what exactly different complex command does in Unix. So we will start with very simple commands and we will cover one command in one video so that it won't be a overload for you guys to understand. So let's start with first command, that is print working directory, pwd. Now what exactly this command does? This command will give you output for the directory where you are currently working in your Unix terminal, or let's say your Linux or whatever Unix servers you are working on. Now as the name says, print working directory, it's a straightforward command. You just have to type pwd and it will provide you the working directory where you are working. But the important thing is to understand how to make use of this pwd command in shell script. So let's move on to the terminal and see how we can make use of this command. So this is my terminal, so I will just type pwd over here. So this is how it is showing me that okay, I am in user shared practice Unix command folder. Now I will just do one thing, I will change the directory. Cd is the command which we are using for change directory. Of course we will have a small duration video on this also. So I will move on to the different directory and I will again type pwd. So here it is showing different output as compared to the previous one. So here it is showing script, previously it was showing different directory. So you just have to type pwd, that's all, and it will give you the output. Now we will see how we can make use of pwd command in writing shell script. So of course as we move on to the as we move on to other videos, then that time I will explain how to write shell script, but here I have written the shell script and I will just explain. So the first line is as it is, the first line will be most common, this will always remain as is. Of course if you are using some different shell, then you can use that shell like gsh, chs. So here I am using bash, so that's why I have used bash, and -x is just to show the output, line by line output of the shell script. Of course you can remove this, so on this also we will have a video. Now echo is a keyword, inbuilt keyword of the Unix. Our main motto is to understand how we can use pwd command in shell script. So this is how we are going to use pwd command. This is the command of the Unix. To use any command, we have to quote it inside this special character backstick. This you will find it if you are using Mac, this location will be different. If you are using Windows laptop, the location will be different. But remember, there is a special character, a special symbol which is called as backstick. This is different than single quote or double quote. This is absolutely different, and this is called as backstick. So while using any command, you have to always put that command inside backstick. So I have just saved it and I will go to the script folder and I will just execute it, because I have written the shell script in advance. I will just execute it. So all these steps I will explain in further videos. So this is how it will show me that okay, first it will execute this command, this line which is called as shebang, and then it is executing the command. I hope you have liked this, you have understood this. If you have any queries, please put forward your questions. I will try my best to answer your queries, and I will make sure that I will not keep the video length too much lengthy, so that or sometimes people also get bored. I will keep the video length very smaller duration, so that it will be helpful for you to understand. And I will share the PPT also once we cover 15-20 commands, and let's see how it goes then. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn Unix commands. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.